Sir, this was one of the most asked question that we wanted to ask you. Compared to other institutions in Karnataka, RV has somewhat a conventional mindset. Both husband and wife are in the same organization and in decision making roles. Sir, if not education, what career would have chosen?
ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಯಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬೈಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವನಸುಮದೊಳನ್ನ ಜೀವನವು ವಿಕಸಿಸುವಂತೆ ಮನವನ